From the experience gained with D-Rigo, iLED breaks the mold to create a new lighting concept. D-WAVE. A revolutionary system capable of adapting to change, upholding the values of sustainability aimed at creating a better future for our planet. An extraordinary profile designed down to the smallest detail to satisfy a range of installation requirements and guarantee perfect flexible light. D-WAVE can accommodate a broad range of lighting units to offer truly spectacular versatility. Equipped with an extraordinary fastening system, it can be integrated into all outdoor situations thanks to the D-WAVE joint system that guarantees endless customization. Fully paintable to blend in with the environment or to be transformed into something more than just a luminaire. A flexible sign that changes the way you see light. D-WAVE.